Breaking news coming in. The Enforcement Directorate has summoned Aishwarya Rai. Aishwarya Rai has been summoned over Panama Papers case. She had sought adjournments on 2 occasions earlier. Plea of adjournment was made to the Special Investigation Team probing the Panama Papers. So that's the latest coming in. At the moment, Aishwarya Rai finds herself in the ED net, summoned over Panama Papers. Munish is joining us for the very latest on this. Munish, walk our viewers to the latest developments coming in. Aishwarya Rai now under ED net, summoned over Panama Papers case. What are we picking up on this front?
Well, Chaiti, as far as this Panama paper investigation is concerned, it is being handled by a special investigation team. It has officers from other investigative agencies also. But what we are learning from our sources within the Enforcement Directorate is that Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has been asked to appear before the Enforcement Directorate. We are yet to get the date on which Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has been asked to appear. But earlier also, she was summoned twice to appear before the ED, but she sought adjournment into this case. Earlier in this case, even Amitabh Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan are also under scanner of the investigative agencies. It has been alleged that in 2016, when Panama Papers came out in public, it was alleged that in early 2000, there were some companies found in which the Bachchan families were named as a director. There were some companies where there were shareholdings. These companies were registered in British Virgin Island. After that,
Munish, do we have details of which these offshore companies or accounts are as alleged at the moment?
Yeah, well, Chaiti, in 2016, there were 3 companies which came out in public through the Panama Papers leak, and later on, this special investigation team started an investigation into this case, a probe into this case. Amitabh Bachchan and Aishwarya Bachchan, all 3 are under scanner of investigative agencies. We have been given stats that earlier also, Abhishek Bachchan's statement was recorded. We are yet to get an official confirmation. Aishwarya Bachchan is concerned. The latest development is that again, she has been called by the Enforcement Directorate on 2 occasions earlier when she was supposed to come to the Enforcement Directorate.
Okay.
After she sought adjournment due to some personal reasons.
Okay.
Again, CS.
All right, Munish, thanks for getting us the latest details on that front. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan under the ED net. She's been summoned at the moment. The Panama Papers case explodes and Aishwarya Rai is summoned. We'll continue tracking these developments. Moving on.